Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted Miro board. And yes, it's possible on all plans using just the original board link. Let's say you or a teammate accidentally deleted a board and now you're panicking. Don't worry, the fix is simple. First, go to the original board link. This is the unique URL that was tied to your Miro board before it was deleted. Even though the board's gone, that link still works. When you open it, Miro will show a message saying the board has been deleted. But right there, you'll see an option to restore. Click restore, and within seconds, your board will reappear on your Miro dashboard exactly as it was before deletion. It's that quick. This restore feature is available across all Miro plans and serves as a great safety net to protect your work from accidental loss. Just remember you'll need that original board link, so it's a good idea to bookmark or save important ones for easy access. And that's it. Your board is back, your work is safe, and you can continue collaborating without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Miro tutorials for more quick tips.